You're standing in line, the menu is big, the line is moving fast, and then the server looks at you and says, "Hi there, what can I get for you?" Suddenly, your mind goes blank. You want to say, "I'd like a coffee and a sandwich," but instead, you freeze. Your English disappears. You feel nervous. Sound familiar? Ordering food should be simple, but in another language, it can feel stressful, especially if the staff speak fast or there's a line behind you. Don't worry. Today, I'll show you exactly how to order food in English, step by step. Whether you're at a fancy restaurant, a small cafe, or a fast food counter, let's make food ordering easy and natural. Know how to get attention politely. When it's your turn, most of the time, the server will speak first. They might say, "Hi, how can I help you?" "What can I get you today?" "Are you ready to order?" You can respond in a few easy ways. "Yes, I'd like a coffee, please." "I'll have the chicken sandwich." "Can I get a burger and fries?" All of these are friendly, natural ways to start. If you're not ready yet, you can say, "Can I have a minute, please?" Or, "I'm still deciding." Short, clear answers are best. Use the right sentence starters. Here are 3 simple phrases you can use when ordering food. I'd like, I'll have, can I get? All 3 mean the same thing. They're polite ways to say what you want. I'd like a green tea. I'll have the number 4 combo. Can I get the chicken salad, please? You don't need to say please every time, but adding it makes you sound polite and friendly. Understand follow-up questions. After you say what you want, the server may ask for here or to go. This means, will you eat at the restaurant or take the food with you? Say, for here, if you'll sit and eat. To go, if you want to take it away. They might also ask, would you like anything else? Would you like a drink with that? Do you want fries or salad? You can say, yes, I'll have a cola, or no, that's all, thanks. If they ask about size, what size drink would you like? You can say, small, medium, or large. Ask if you don't understand if they speak too fast. Don't panic. You can always say, sorry, could you repeat that? Can you speak a bit slower? What does that mean? You can also point to the menu and say, what's this? Is this spicy? What's in this sandwich? Most people are happy to explain, especially if you stay calm and smile. A practice payment language. After you order, it's time to pay. The cashier may say, that'll be $12.50, or your total is $9. You can hand over cash or card and say, here you go. Can I pay by card? Do you take credit? Can I get a receipt, please? If you're paying with exact change, say, I have the exact amount, or keep the change if you want a tip. Learn how to react naturally. After you pay, the staff may say, thanks, enjoy your meal. You can reply, thanks, you too. Even if they're not eating, this is normal in English. They may say, your order will be ready shortly. You can say, great, thanks, or just smile and wait. If they give you a number or a buzzer, keep it with you until your food is ready. When you receive your food, it's nice to say, thank you, or looks great. Little things like that show kindness and improve your speaking confidence at a coffee shop. Let's imagine a short moment at a coffee shop. Server, hi there. What can I get started for you? You, hi, I'd like a medium cappuccino, please. Server, any food with that? You, no, that's all, thanks. Server, for here or to go? You, to go, please. Server, okay, that'll be $4.50. You, here you go. Server, thanks. Your drink will be ready at the counter. You, thank you. Natural, polite, easy, useful phrases to practice. Say these out loud a few times. I'd like a coffee, please. I'll have the soup and salad. Can I get this to go? I'm still deciding. What comes with the burger? Is this vegetarian? That's all, thanks. Do you take card? Can I get a receipt? Thank you. Have a nice day. Practicing these short phrases helps build muscle memory. When the real moment comes, your mouth will already know what to say. Ordering food in English doesn't have to be scary. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a long sentence. You just need to speak clearly, use simple expressions, and stay calm. Next time you walk into a cafe or restaurant, take a breath, smile, and order with confidence. And remember, mistakes are okay. What matters is trying. Every time you order, you're also practicing and improving. Practice out loud, try different styles, and soon it will feel completely natural. Thank you for practicing with me today. See you in the next lesson.